Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US Highway 63, beginning as we leave the city limits of Hoxie, Alabama, in Lawrence County. Lawrence County was Arkansas's second county, formed in 1815, and is named for Captain James Lawrence, who fought in the War of 1812. The mother of counties, Lawrence County once covered a majority of North Arkansas, an enormous stretch of land ultimately forming 31 counties. Long dominated by cotton production, this agricultural county now produces rice, soybeans, corn, and sorghum. Lawrence County had an estimated population of 16,406 as of 2019. Here, US Highway 412 West begins a concurrency with US-63. We enter the town of Portia, which had an estimated population of 405 as of 2019. The area that became the town of Portia in the late 19th century was home to some of Arkansas's earliest settlers. Incorporated in 1886, the town was once an important business center and timber-producing area. In the 21st century, however, its business district is declining. The town is home to 3 properties on the National Register of Historic Places. At the Black River, we enter the city of Black Rock, which had an estimated population of 602 as of 2019. It reportedly takes its name from black rocks in the area. The city was a boom town, rising due to the development of railroads and timber interests, and it was later sustained by the pearling industry. In 1897, area residents began trawling the Black River after Dr. J. H. Myers found a 14-grain pink ball pearl inside a local mussel. As the pearl rush took hold, most people simply threw away the mussel shells they opened, but Myers shipped a load of the ostensibly worthless shells to Lincoln, Nebraska in 1899 to be used in the manufacture of buttons. Subsequently, he, along with partners Anna R. Townsend and H. W. Townsend, established the Black Rock Pearl Button Company, which was reportedly the first button factory in the South. After World War II, however, with the increased availability of plastic buttons, the industry foundered. The last button factory in Black Rock closed in 1954, though mussels are still harvested from the Black River and shipped to China, where they're used for cultured pearls. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video as we enter the city of Imboden. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.